Mopar time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8 model, 392 Hemi underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, all the nice equipment under the hood. Also power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Check out that chin spoiler. Header orange, black stripes. Should take a look at the front here. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, underside, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. That 392 Hemi putting out 470 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque. And to stop that, you can see up front the big Brembo brakes, SRT stock wheels, Pirelli tires, ready to go. A little over 51,000 miles on this one. That is confirmed original miles. Ebony with orange accented interior, leather suede blend. This one does have the navigation radio with 900 watt Harman Kardon stereo, steering wheel controls, heated seats, very nicely equipped. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This also has a power sunroof, and as you can see out the rear, dual exhaust. Once again, still pictures. You want to see that underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out that interior here. Snoop her over a little closer. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, suede inserts in the door panels. Does have a little nicer floor mat to it, nice rubber one. Power seat, driver's side. Check out the condition of the suede. Now when you see kind of two different colors here, that is the actual nap of the suede. A little bit of wear in the bolster here. Get a look at that. There's that sunroof. Headliner in nice shape on this one. Go ahead and check out the steering wheel controls for driver's information center here, and of course the cruise on the other side. There's your exact miles, 51,575. And again, check out down here, this one also has heated steering wheel. Up here, heated steering wheel, heated seats. Sport mode. Traction control off down there in case you want to use up some rear tires. That 470 horsepower. Dash in nice shape until this car is stored indoors. Alright, let's go ahead and fire it up. Of course, it's push button. I have the key sitting in the cup holder. Alright. Stereo is in working order. AC does blow cold, FYI. And again, nice Harman Kardon stereo system to this one. You would have your performance features over here, which you can scroll through the information center. I do have one tire that's a little bit low. I'll have the service guys pump that up so they're all equal before this one is shipped out. Just wanted to get the pictures and video online. All right. Slip around back so you can hear this one run. Sounding pretty stock, no crazy exhaust, anything like that. Now there's a few spots in this that I want to point out, like here, just a little thin in that stripe. See a little bit of orange coming through, and there's some very, very fine, just small touch-up areas. There's one little one right here. I don't know if I can hardly, there he is, get it to show up. I think there's another one down in the door, but again, tough to find. There's one real tiny one there. Whoops, sorry about that blur. perfect? No, it has been driven. One little one here. But again, overall, very nice shape. Just a few small areas like that. And you're welcome to consult with your sales associate. Have them give it the once over. Just trying to give you as fair of video and picture representation on this car as we can. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop the hood so you can check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, check out that headliner. You watch my videos before, it's one of the things I like to show you when they're nice and clean. You can tell they haven't been driven in any sort of inclement weather. We got a bunch of salt and road grime dried in there. So this one looks like a pretty fair weather car when it's been out. There it is, a 392 Hemi. Actually, well, secret is the 391, but when Dodge named these and designed them, they harkened back to their earlier 392 Hemi. So that's how it got its name. And again, no slouch, 470 horse, 170 pound-feet of torque in the SRT8. A little over 51,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.